What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little haul that I got from OReillys. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is a little haul that I got from OReillys. I picked up some funnels. I have an obsession for funnels, but these are the style of flow tool funnels that I was looking for. I actually had two of these in red. And I like these style funnels. The ones that Walmart are selling now are weird. They're not shaped like this on the inside. This is a single quart funnel where it'll actually hold a single quart for you. These are the style that I like. Exact same as the one I have that's in red. These actually were $5.99 a piece, and I think the reason they were $5.99 a piece is because they also come with this spout. I'm more than likely going to take the spout off. I normally use this specific funnel, the one I have in ones I have in red, like this, without a little adapter. I got 3 of those. These are going to be going in the trucks, all 3 4Runners. I like having different funnels in each vehicle. So I usually keep about 7 different style funnels in each vehicle. This, I got 2 of these funnels. These are little tiny, it says Flow Tool Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation. These are just little funnels. I actually have a yellow one sitting right here. So this funnel is actually, looks like the exact same funnel as this one. It's got the same ribbing and everything, but this funnel is over 20 years old. This one I've had in my kitchen. I use it in the kitchen for the last 15 years or more. And I decided to just take it out of the kitchen and use it for brake fluid. So what I did is I bought a couple more. I might actually go back. These are like 90 cents or whatever, and pick up like 4 or 5 more. And then one of these that's brand new, throw it into the kitchen cabinet for kitchen use again, because they do work well. But once I use a funnel, if it was in the kitchen, it's even got the same ribbing. Once I use a funnel like this that I was in the kitchen for something that's automotive, I never use it in the kitchen again. But one of these funnels I picked up for transferring cleaners and degreasers from a 1-gallon container to a spray bottle. That's why I picked these up. So there's 2 of those guys. And found one of these gauges. I've actually had this exact same gauge in my SR5 for the last 14 plus years, and I love this gauge. I found this at OReillys, so I picked another one up. This is going to go in the limited 4x4, the 2000. And then when I find another one, I'm going to pick another one up at OReillys, probably when they get another one in stock, and I'm going to put it in the 97. And these I picked up because Derek from Vice Grip Garage, I'll leave a link up here, he got me hooked onto these style clamps. I actually didn't necessarily like these clamps before, but when I bought the 2000 limited 4x4, it came with 2 or 3 of these clamps on a couple items, and I could have just changed them out for the regular style clamps, but I haven't. It's so convenient to be able to just twist and lock a hose on. So I grabbed what they had in this size. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. In each package, they are 1/4 to 7/8, or 6.4 millimeter to 20.6 millimeter. All 3 of these. They only had 2 red and they had 1 blue. I grabbed all 3 of them. But Derek uses these on everything, and I kind of agree with them. They are really handy. Never thought about using them before, but they are really nice. So just a small little haul. I didn't pick up a ton of stuff, but and more than likely I'm not going to use these little funnels. These little, you know, who knows, maybe they'll come in handy. I'll throw them in the truck. But I picked up 3. 1, 2, 3. These 2, this, and these. Just a small little haul. Each one of these is going to go into each truck. One for the SR5, one 2000 SR5, one for the 2000 Limited 4x4, and one for the 1997 4x4. I'm also looking at a 1999 that the owner is actually the original owner. He bought it for his wife, and they took it in 2000, a year after they bought it, and she asked Toyota to put every single upgrade that you could possibly get in a 2000 in the 99, so she ended up getting heated mirrors, heated seats, you name it, the whole shebang, every single feature that you could add to a Limited. And it's Desert Dune, just like the 2000 Limited that I call Rose, and the 97 Limited that I call Beast. Same color, the Desert Dune with the bluish metallic silver fender flares. It's in pristine condition for having like 390,000 miles. It's meticulously cared for. It has records of every upgrade ever put into it. Has records of every maintenance. It was always taken care of at the Toyota dealership. And they happen to move here to near Casa Grande, so I'm gonna go check that out. It's a pretty pristine truck. Coming from like Illinois or Indiana, something like that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little haul. I actually got these several days ago. They've just been sitting on the bench for a week because I didn't want to do any videos at the time. I'm feeling a little better the last few days. I've been sick. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope the video was helpful. I'll let you guys know, I've been using this specific style gauge, tire gauge, like I said, 14 plus years. I've been using these style funnels for years and years, probably 5, 8 plus years more, maybe more. This one, I've had in my kitchen cabinet for the last almost 20 years or so. I decided to use it for brake fluid, so I decided to, not put it in the kitchen. I can always go back to the store, pick up another like 7 or 8 of these, and even throw these, in each, three of them, one for each vehicle, or 4, because I have that 99 I might be picking up, so technically it'd be 5 with the Excursion. And then, if the information is helpful, let me know. I like these a lot. They're actually the best shaped funnel to fit actually in 2000 4Runners and even any other 4Runner, 1996 to 2002. The oil cap is kind of wedged between, a couple, a diagnostic port and a few other spots. So it's just information for you guys. If you guys need any more information, let me know. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!